responding with the fruits of new birth. Oh, this is now a time for declaration. The word will go to all men everywhere. The church is here for healing of the nation. Behold, the day of Jesus drawing near. My tongue will be the pen of a ready writer. What the Father gives to me, I'll sing. I only want to be His bread. I only want to glorify the King. Body waits expectantly. The promise of the Father is now ready to fall. The watchmen on the tower all exhort us to prepare, and the church responds, a people who will answer the call. And this is not a phase which is passing. Which is to come. And where is the wise man and the scoffer? For the face of Jesus they are done. My tongue will be the pen of a ready writer. And what the Father gives to me, I'll say. The King. Body now prepared by God and ready for war. The prompting of the Spirit is our word of command. We rise a mighty army at the bidding of the Lord. The devil see and fear, for their time is at hand. The children of the Lord hear our commission, that we should love and serve our God as one. The Spirit won't be hindered by division. Perfect work that Jesus has begun. My tongue will be the pen of a ready writer. And what the Father gives to me, I'll say. I only want to be His bread. I only want to glorify the King.